And that's why I think that I would make a good leader. Well, I'll admit, over the last 6 weeks or so, you have done a lot to help the town. You saved little Timmy from the well, you stopped the bandits, you cured the plague, and to top it all off, you are the same race and religion as us, which, as you know, is important because we're all fiercely racist. Of course. Yep, I'd say your approval rating's at about 95% if you wanted to take a vote. Well, okay, all in favor? Aye. 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 Fuck that guy. Fuck what guy? What were you doing here again? You were about to vote to see if you wanted me to be the new leader. Well, really? Well, just who in the fuck do you think you are? Hey, there's someone at the gate. Well, who is it? Who are you? I got a gun. He says he's got a gun. Oh, what do you know? That's our new leader. Open the gate. Come on in, sir. Come on in. We got a nice comfy chair for you right over here. We got cooking up a feast for you. And if in the after supper you're feeling up to it, I'd like to invite you to have sex with my wife.